welcome to this video on highest common factor, or as I like to call it, the God factor. Insert Marlon Brandon impression right here. Don't watch The Godfather, you're far too young. Once you're old enough, definitely watch it. Amazing movie, but until then, don't watch The Godfather. But in it, they do make references to cannoli. Now, it's not highly referenced, but it is one of the most classic Godfather lines. Completely understand why he chooses to take the cannoli. Amazing. Like flour and sugar are ingredients that go into a cannoli. A factor is a number that goes into another number. So for example, 2 goes into 6, so 2 is a factor of 6. So when we're looking at the highest common factor of two numbers, we're looking at the biggest factor that goes into both of these numbers. Now there's 2 ways we can do this. The first way is to list all the factors of two numbers. So for example, let's pick 20 and 30. We're going to write down all the factors that go into 20 and all the factors that go into 30. Literally just go through your times tables. Which times tables is 20 a part of and which times tables is 30 a part of. Now, all I'm going to do is go through and highlight the common factors and pick the biggest one that I've highlighted. That's it. Method number 2. I'm going to write each number as a product of their prime factors. Check out the video on product of prime factors and my Lion King references. Once I've done that, fill in a Venn diagram. Cross off the numbers that occur in both, put it into the middle, and the leftovers go into 20 and the leftovers go into 30. Once I've done that, to find the highest common factor, you multiply the common numbers in both. And that's it, highest common factor. You can see I get the same number both ways. It doesn't really matter which method you choose. Some people prefer one, some people prefer the other. Personally, I like method 1 for smaller numbers and method 2 for bigger numbers. But that's it, highest common factor. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.